downtown over there. And we are way out here by ourselves on this really rocky path, but it beats everything we did yesterday. It feels really good being alone and remote after all of the neighborhoods and roads and whatnot we did yesterday. Did not feel very welcoming yesterday. So it feels really good to be out here alone. Our campsite last night was really nice because there was no one around. Not really a chance that anyone would come around, which was nice after getting woken up the night before by some teenagers. Feels really good to be out here. Even though you can hear the road over there, and we had construction noise all night. This is nice, this is peaceful, this is calm.
Gotcha, Jolly. All right, I think this might be the highest we get for these last, what, 2 days? I think this is our second to last day on the trail. I think it's mostly down from here, maybe a little rolling, little baby climbs here and there, but nothing major. So we say goodbye to the big mountains, so to speak, and we make our way out to the ocean, like right through there. You can see that's like North San Diego areas probably, or something, and that's the ocean behind it. Where we're going.
SDTCT day 7. Slept up here on this little ridge just outside of the lakeside last night. It was a lovely campsite. Had views of the mountains, the city, ocean in the far off distance. But yeah, up and at 'em around 7:15 today. And for the remainder of this trip, it looks like camping on trail is really not an option. So we've got a little over 35 miles left to do, which means it's gonna be 2 days for us. Getting an Airbnb, same Airbnb for both nights. Be nice to have a home base. We're gonna slack pack the home stretch tomorrow, but today, looking forward to the miles ahead. We go right by a Costco, so I definitely see some $1.50 hot dogs in our future. The forecast is not as hot today as it's been the last few days, which is excellent. Be nice to not sweat our asses off for an afternoon. I was too busy talking to you guys. I went the wrong way. Jolly boy saved me, but yeah, day 7. More Forest Service Road. I'm going to be taking it up to what appears to be a fairly steep climb right over that way. Excuse me, sir, are you lost? It is a Kirkland. We are getting close to a Costco, so it makes sense. Today's climb in action. Got the 2 boys going after it. Jabba taking a shade break. It's a steep one. little vineyard all the way out there? Are you kidding me?
All right, we're starting to get down back towards civilization. Nice little orange orchard. Oranges or lemons? Whatever those look like. Can't tell.
Jolly's finally getting everything that he dreamt of.
My swag!
It's swag time, baby.
We're swacking now! It's swag tea! I think this is a joke compared to what we would have dealt with.
Yeah.
That's why we're laughing.
Sorry for innovating. Sorry for being a pioneer in the realm of dual function technologies.
All right, again, we are reminded that this is a route and not a trail as we take some game trail and bushwhack our way over there to the Costco. That sentence was probably never been said in through hiking. A bushwhack to a Costco. Here we are, going for the dogs and the free soda. Yee-hoo! Schwacking. Yes, definitely worried about the ticks. Schwacking.
Swag. Look at him go.
That's how you bushwhack.
Swag, 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 swag. This is like child's play schwacking, but still. This is not like a schwacking we would have done yesterday that we totally avoided. These are knee-high shrubs compared to overhead shrubs.
Can't touch me!
All right.
That was easy.
That was easy, guys.
It looks good too.
It's my little downstairs bib.
My bottom bit.
How's the schwack?
There's a trail below.
I know.
The trail below us we hit and we cut around this property.
Ironically, that's the trail that I was on before.
No, it's not the exact. Look at this guy. Like a kindergartner.
Drink it on the way up. Keep yourself nice and cool.
Yeah.
You gotta cool down
That's
the
not all of
You
it.
gotta cool down the filter.
No.
Just a little cool down. It's still hot.
No. It's dripping down. I need all of it. Yes.
Does it have a taste?
It has a taste. You don't get that old fashioned, baby.
It has a taste.
I'm just gonna shake for a minute.
I'm gonna, oh.
It is not. What does it taste like? Talk about it.
Like a chalkiness to it. It's mostly like a feeling than a taste. Like on my tongue.
Like I'm a tongue. That's an old fashioned, baby! Yeah.
I've never been so happy in my life. Oh, there it is. We're coming for you.
If the line to the car wash at Costco weren't so long, I mean, look, it goes all the way back to there and beyond. Look, oh, it's still going. Oh, this guy's in line too. Already set up. There's the one. I want one life size to that right there. The picture. I want a life size one.
How you guys feeling about this right now?
Pretty much
so excited.
110%.
Are we back on board on the trail?
Oh, never wasn't.
This is the best trail ever.
Road walking vitamins.
Let's guess the number and the closest wins an old fashioned.
Will ChatGPT be counting this?
Yep.
Because I ain't.
Round two. What do we got here?
Chicken wing.
Got a diarrhea waiting to happen.
Uh-huh.
While we were sitting at Costco, finishing up our food and beverage, some woman told Jolly and I that we should take our hoods and sunglasses off because we look like we might be ice. And then we said, oh, okay. And then she left, and I was like, I don't think ice is partying quite like this. How are the boys feeling after a little bit of Costco lunch?
I feel so good.
Oh, that's so cool.
The train, you missed the train.
Oh, choo-choo.
Choo.
I like it a lot. No, I feel great. How are you feeling?
Full.
You didn't
Satisfied.
Eat that much. You didn't even eat that
I
much.
ate the requisite amount.
I had a hot dog, a pizza, and half a chicken bake, a mocha, 2 sodas, and a cookie. Almost forgot the cookie. This guy had a hot dog and a sundae.
Feeling awesome.
And a couple Cokes.
I'm feeling real nice. Jabby,
Yo,
give us your Costco order,
Costco order.
or what you had for lunch.
I had everything Jolly had, except I didn't have a cookie, and we split a chicken bake.
And instead of a mocha, he got a sundae.
That's right.
Right, sorry, of course.
Power orders for Power Boy. What do we think about Poway?
Oh,
Yeah, looks like a good place.
power away.
All the small things. Truth care. Home of Blink-182. I couldn't gather.
I got it all. I got it. And a wallet pocket.
I like the back. I like the idea of it singing that way. I don't like the card side. I don't like the
I like it for various purposes, but not for thru-hiking. Because in thru-hiking, you sleep in those first, you can feel the different. Water, look at this. Over a water feature.
Wow.
We got water. We got water. Flowing water.
I feel like we're in Flow Rider right now.
That's actually beautiful right
Are there gators in here?
now. Totally. Let me get a photo of this. Because it's epic. Don't even move, Jolly.
Cheers.
Oh.
This is all part of the TCT experience. I might not have even got that.
You didn't get it at all.
Here, do it again.
You were pointing
Do it
at
again.
them,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Still terrific.
Adventure, baby.
Like, that's all they do. It's just copy paste, repeat.
After an eventful and very urban day 7, we're less than a mile from the end of the day. Gonna catch an Uber, head to the Airbnb, which we've got for 2 nights, which is excellent. Which means we don't need all of our stuff to wrap up the trail tomorrow. Probably gonna get in the hot tub. Probably gonna enjoy some takeout. Probably gonna sleep in. You know, typical rugged wilderness stuff. Good day. I bamboozled him.
I've been bamboozled.